Hello, and welcome to this video presentation in which we'll introduce the ways of reviewing and resolving alerts and generating reports using the Reports feature. Alerts provide notifications about ongoing and potential performance problems that occur on your machines, SQL Server instances, databases, services, and more. Alerts can be configured for each monitored device. Alerts are grouped into three categories based on severity. Alerts with high severity are red, medium alerts are orange, and alerts with low severity are blue. To view the number of collected alerts and their severity for the specific SQL Server instance, on the left pane, find and select a SQL Server instance to review. On the dashboard, the number of alerts will be shown with severities grouped in the monitored areas, including System, SQL Server, Database, Query, Weights, Statuses, and Indexes. Over time, many alerts will be collected. To make use of alerts, they need to be made actionable by being resolved and then to be cleared from the alerts list. ApexSQL Monitor provides the possibility to help you in reviewing, resolving, and closing the alerts. In the dashboard, click on the desired alert counter to see all collected alerts for a specific monitored area by severity. For example, high alerts for the system monitored area. To review all alerts for a specific instance, in the 3 view, select a desired instance and click the Alerts tab. By default, alerts that raised in the last 24 hours will be shown in the grid. In the time interval drop-down box, beside the option that shows raised alerts in the last 24 hours, there is an option which shows alerts in the last 7 days, and the All option that shows alerts from the initial start of monitoring. To review alerts that are raised in the specific time range in the From and To controls, set the values of interest. To review a specific metric, for example, System metric, in the Metrics box, find and select the System option. On the left side of the Metrics box, the number of raised alerts with severities is shown. To include only the severity of your interest in the alerts grid, for example, high, click on the medium and low alerts. This will exclude the medium and low alerts from the grid list, leaving only alerts with high severity. There are 2 ways to resolve alerts, individually or in batches. To resolve alerts one by one, form the alert grid under the metric column. Click on the desired alert. This will open the Details page for the chosen alert. Under the Details page, one of the offered resolutions can be chosen: Ignored, Fixed, Known Issue options. The Not Resolved option indicates that the alert was reviewed, but the solution for that alert has not been found yet. Let's try with some examples. On the Alerts page, let's list all medium and low alerts that were raised in the last 24 hours. Click on the first alert. Under the Resolve Alert, click the Fixed button, and in the Add Comment box, enter some notes and press the Save button. Now, when we go back to the Alerts page, we will notice that the alert has been removed from the alerts list. Let's try another example. Click on an alert in the Resolve Alert. Select the Not Resolved option, enter a comment, and click the Save button. Now, when we go back to the alert grid, we will see that the alert still exists in the alert grid. As we mentioned earlier, if the Not Resolved option is chosen in the Alert Detail page, that indicates that the alert was reviewed, but a solution for the underlying problem hasn't been ascertained yet. Now, let's try resolving a group of alerts. Go back to the Alerts page and click all the low severity alerts. After checking all the low severity alerts, click on the Resolve button. As you can see, a message box appears that tells us that the Force Comments on Resolution option is turned on. When this message is shown, it indicates that, according to the current configuration, before we resolve an alert and remove it from the Alerts page in the Add Comments box of the Alerts Detail page, we must provide a comment. To resolve one group of alerts without entering a comment, go to the Administration page. Click on the Alerts link. And under the Alerts option page, Uncheck the Force Comments on Resolution checkbox and click the Save button. The Alerts option page will be displayed if we click the link in the message box. Now, when we check all low alerts and click the Resolve button, all low-severity alerts will be removed from the Alerts page. Another option under the Alerts option page is the Generate a Report on Resolution option. Click this option and choose Email under the Email Profile drop-down box. Now, when alerts are resolved, a report with resolved alerts in PDF format will be automatically generated and sent to the email which is specified in the Email Profile box. To review resolved alerts, go to the Reports page under the Alerts tab and select the Alert Status. On the Alerts Status page, set desired values and click the Generate button. The generated values can be sent via email or saved locally in PDF format. One important bit of information is who has the permissions for resolving accounts. Alerts can be resolved by users who have a Power or Admin User role. Users with the Reader role can add comments but cannot resolve them. Let's log in as a reader and see what we will get on the Alerts page. On the Alerts page, choose any alert. As can be seen on the Alerts detail page, comments can be added. But when pressing the Save button, the alert will not be removed from the alerts list. As you may notice, when we are logged in as users in a reader role on the Alerts page, the checkboxes at the beginning of every alert column in the alerts list and the Resolve button are not available. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit ApexSQL.com.